This video will assist patrons in navigating Primo. Primo is the library's catalog that searches 90% of all the content the library has access to. This includes journal articles, books, ebooks, and videos. You can begin your search simply here at the library's homepage by typing a search in this simple search box, or you can click here where it says Advanced Search, and you'll have two additional search lines in which to add your terms. I'm going to conduct the search on blood quantum. You see I've done this search, so it pops it up, blood quantum and tribal membership. And if I need to add an additional line, I can. I can also do some limits here, but I'm just going to do my search. And you see, first thing on my search, I have this yellow search bar where it says sign in to get complete results. And you'll probably want to sign in because it also accesses other features of Primo. And you see it's simply your Canvas username or password. As you see, once I have authenticated, you'll see your name up here in the top corner. Okay, you see I have my results here. And I've got mine set up to show up 25 at a time. Also, here on my search results, you see I have various ways to limit my search by availability, like if it's available online, held by library, open access journal, or in a peer-reviewed journal. I can also limit by resource type, articles, book chapters, books, and others, publication date, subjects, and a lot of other things. Excuse me. Now, typically, you can see if anything is available online. You can click here and it will open up into the record. It will tell you what resource it is in, and I can simply click there and get the item. Click that X to go back to my searches. And see this item that has the pin through it. I've already pinned this one. It's available online. So is that one. Now, if I want to pin an item or look at it, I can simply click here on the push pin. It will twirl around and go up here into my favorites. But you see, I can also view the PDF here. Now, one of the things, I can just simply click here and the PDF will open. And depending on the database that it's in, I can either download it to my hard drive, flash drive. I can also probably upload it to my Google Drive or Braves or OneDrive. Also, here is my tools for my citation. Here's the citation, and you see the various types of citations it will do. Now, one of the things with citations, when you get them from a database, always be sure they are correct. Check them against a style guide. Now I'm going to close this. And you see, even though I had it set up, I've only got 10 here. I can go to the next page and continue looking. Now, once I have found all my items, actually it's the bottom of the page. If I pin my items and I want to view them, I can go up here and click either on my pin or click here on my name, and it will go to my favorites. And you see here are the items I've pinned, and if I want to, I can add a label. Just say new. Call it blood quantum. See, it has that label. And now I can add my other items to that folder. And if I want to pull those up, you see I've got 3 items. I can click there and bring them up. Also here you see I can see my search history. And you see I've had several here on blood quantum. But if I saved some of those, and you see I have a saved search, also I have some other searches I have saved, and if I want to rerun one, I simply click on it and it will rerun that search. Now, one of the things to also notice is up here when I begin my search, if I say new search, let me go back. You notice here it says UNC System Discovery. The UNC system is going to Primo. All the campuses are. And the System Discovery, UNC System Discovery, also looks at in their catalogs. So if they have an item, especially a book that we do not have, and you scroll through and see it, you can make a request for it. Because you're logged in, you can be able to do that. If you limit down to UNCP Library, you will basically see books and journal titles only. If you search Beyond My Library, that takes you a little bit further out. And you can also request items from them. And once your items come in, you can see my request here. They'll be there. If you have items checked out, they will be under My Loans, and you can renew them. See, I have an item checked out. If I want to renew it, simply click there. Now I'm going to go back to the library's homepage, and that's a little bit about navigating Primo. If you have any questions, please contact us at the library. Thank you.